Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I'm happy you're here. We're going to be doing a painting today, a minimalistic painting. If you all have been following me, you know I love my blacks. I love my black and whites. I love my black and tans. I love my keyword nickel azo gold. So I thought, let's do a painting with those colors. We've got some yummy colors and fingers crossed this will work out. Our base coat is already down. Our base coat is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Now, I get this question daily. Is my base coat the same consistency as my pour colors? Sometimes. When I'm doing a swipe, the base coat color is as thin as the swipe color. If I'm doing a ring pour, my base coat color is usually just a little bit thinner than my paints that go into my ring cup, as it is today. This is a little bit, just a smidgen thinner than the paints that I have in the cup. What paints are in those cups? Well, in this cup right here, we have more of our Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. In this cup right here, we have the keyword golden nickel azo gold in the fluid paints. Now, let me show you this consistency because it's easier to see than the black. It leaves a blob on a blob on a blob, kind of folds over itself, kind of like a nice rich cream rinse that you put in your hair. But all of the paints in the cups are the same consistency. Let's take a look at this one right here. Yeah, you can probably see that just a little bit better. This is DecoArt Satin Enamels, and that is in their neutral beige. All of our paints are mixed with a splash of Golden GAC 800 in the bottom of the cup. Then I add about a tablespoon. Then I add my paint, about an ounce, depending on the paint. If it's a golden paint, just a few squirts because the pigment is so high. I stir it up and then I slowly start to add my mix pour when I'm doing a ring pour or a traveling ring pour, because this thickens up my paints very nicely. There'll be a link in the description box of how to get mix pour by emailing sweet darling Krista. So I'm going to go ahead and layer a cup. Now, found something out recently. A lot of times I do multiple traveling ring pours. It's best to mix one paint cup at a time. What I mean is layer one cup, pour it out, manipulate it, get it where you want, then mix your second cup if you're doing a second ring pour. If you do them all at the same time, the paints, while they sit, while you're maneuvering the first cup, the second and third cup that you mixed up at the same time, it starts to blend and the colors mesh together a little bit. So one cup at a time if you're doing more than one cup on a traveling ring pour. So what else? That's it. Let's put some music on. Let's get in the zone. Let's paint something pretty.